Hello, everyone. I'm glad to welcome you to the Humanity UAPD English Learning Series. Today, I present day 23 of our 28-day free English course on EnglishHumanityUAPD.com. In today's lesson, I will teach you how to write short paragraphs in English. Short paragraphs help me express ideas clearly and make my writing easy for readers to understand. I define a short paragraph as 3 to 5 sentences that focus on one main idea. Short paragraphs are useful for English learners because they make writing simple, clear, and organized. Instead of long and confusing text, short paragraphs help readers understand the message quickly. I often use short paragraphs in blogs, essays, articles, and everyday writing. I find a good paragraph usually has 3 important parts. First, I use a topic sentence to introduce the main idea of the paragraph. For example, reading is a very helpful habit for personal development. Second, I add supporting sentences to explain the main idea and provide details or examples. For example, reading improves vocabulary and increases knowledge. Reading also develops imagination and creativity. Third, I finish with a concluding sentence that summarizes the paragraph or gives a final thought. For example, therefore, reading regularly can greatly improve a person's knowledge and thinking skills. Here is a simple example paragraph. Reading is a helpful habit for personal growth. It improves vocabulary and knowledge. Reading also strengthens imagination and creativity. Therefore, reading regularly helps people learn new ideas. As you can see, this paragraph contains 4 sentences and focuses on one idea. I will share 5 simple tips to improve your paragraph writing. I start with a clear topic sentence. I add supporting sentences to explain my idea. I keep my paragraph focused on one main idea. I write short and clear sentences. I always review and edit my paragraphs. These tips help me write better and clearer paragraphs. I will give you a practice exercise now. I ask you to write a short paragraph about your daily routine. I also ask you to write about your favorite place. I ask you to write a short paragraph about your best friend. Try to write 3 to 5 sentences for each topic. Daily practice helps me improve my English writing skills quickly. I remind you that writing is a skill that improves with practice and patience. I tell you not to worry about mistakes. Every time I write, I become a better writer. I encourage you to keep practicing short paragraphs so writing in English will feel easy and natural. Thank you for watching Day 23 of the 28-day free English course. For the full lesson and more English learning resources, I invite you to visit EnglishHumanityUAPD.com. In the next lesson, Day 24, I will teach English vocabulary for daily life. I encourage you to keep learning and keep practicing, and I will see you in the next lesson.